What's up? New video, welcome to the channel. And today POV drive, day drive on the German Autobahn. Let's drive. Do we need this today? I think today is fine. Okay, need this ones. And then I also have to bring some, glass. I have to throw it away. And then I need this one and this one. Okay, the thing is, I can't go that fast. Because it's because I have to deliver a microwave. So I have to be careful with that. Otherwise it will be broken before I can deliver it. And I have to deliver it. And also I have to throw away some glass. So I have glass behind. So let's throw it away first, and then we will drive on the German Autobahn and have some fun. Hopefully, like, fingers crossed it's not that crowded. But let's see. Okay, there are the containers. Then I can throw away the glass. So let's drive like this. Fuck, is it brown or green? Fuck it, I think that's green. Now let's go. Also, I should clean the car, but the problem is in Germany you can't wash the cars on a Sunday. It's only possible from Monday till Saturday, and on a Sunday it's closed. It's not possible to wash the car, and I hate it because Sunday I have time en masse, and you can't always like watch Netflix. And also, what I can recommend if you're in Germany, Kong Strong, or if you're German, you know, because I see that unfortunately a lot of Germans watch my videos. I would like that from other countries as well. They're watching my videos, but unfortunately a lot of Germans, which is not bad at all, don't get me wrong, but then you know everything. Like, I would like to show some things, some Indians or Americans, I don't know, at least some viewers watching. So my car is still cold. I have to drive 5-10 minutes, but I see it already. I think it's crowded today. Like, on this time I think everyone is driving to see their family, or I don't know. But here you can still drive 120 kilometers per hour, which is pretty fast when it comes to, if you compare it with other countries. Then 120 kilometers on a street like this, a road like this, it's pretty fast, I would say. Okay, now we will drive to the real Autobahn. In Germany we have a word for drivers on Sundays, Sunday driver, which means like they don't drive very well because they drive only on Sundays. And it's true, like if you compare it, This guy, he was driving in the middle of the street. What the fuck? Oh, I see. So today, bad luck. Very bad luck today. I think there's what is there? Construction. Normally here it's unlimited to drive, but okay, that's how it is. But still I have to deliver the package. Okay. There it comes, the sign, the best sign of our German Autobahn. In general in Germany, the best sign. So as you can see, that means here is unlimited, but it's too crowded. And this is the worst, like, this is the worst part. If you can drive as fast as you can, but like from legal side, but you can't because in front of you guys are blocking the Autobahn or the highway. Left lane blockers. Take this exit. God damn it. I hope you still enjoyed the video and the scenery here in Germany on a Sunday autumn day. Everything is yellow, green, brown, as you can see. Looks beautiful. Also like the mountains and all the stuff. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I will take this one and see you the next time. Thanks guys, bye.